Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to our chapter 10 extra practice part 2. So here we have only 5 question was left. So that is a part 2 of extra practice exercise of chapter 10. Okay, so after that we will start the revising all the chapters of the July month. Now in question number 10, Rohit monthly income is 15% more than Ranjit monthly income. रोहित की जो मंथली इनकम है, अगर रंजीत की मंथली इनकम का 15% उसी में रंजीत की मंथली इनकम में ऐड कर दिया जाए तो वो रोहित की मंथली इनकम बन जाती है। पर अगर मुझे रंजीत की मंथली इनकम निकालनी है तो जितनी रोहन की मंथली इनकम है उसमें अगर 20% ऑफ रोहन का माइनस कर दिया जाए तो वो रंजीत की मंथली इनकम बन जाती है। तो हमें रेशियो निकालनी है रोहित टू रोहन कि रोहित की कितनी मंथली इनकम है और रोहन की कितनी है। Now here in the question is let Rohan's monthly income is equal to X rupees. So first we consider let Rohan's monthly income is equal to X rupees. Ranjit monthly income is equal to X minus 20% of X. That is Rohan's income minus 20% of Rohan's monthly income. So percentage changes into divide by 100. So you take X common, 1 minus 20 by 100, take the 100 LCM. 100 minus 20 by 100 into x gives you 100 minus 20 is 80x by 100. Now next is what is the Rohit monthly income? Rohit monthly income is whatever Ranjit income we get, we add 15% of Ranjit in this because Rohit is 15% more than the Ranjit. So whatever Ranjit income is, we add 15% of Ranjit in same income to get the Rohit monthly income. So here we take 80x by 100 common. So what is left? 1 plus 15%. Percentage changes into 100. We take the LCM. 100 plus 15 is by 100. 115 by 100 into 80 by 100. 0 is cancelled. Only 8 by 10 is left. X is left. Here when you divide by 5, 5 23s are 115 and 5 2s are 10. 2 4s are 8 and 4 25s are 100. 23 by 25 into x is left. Next part is of our question, we have to find the ratio. Now we have to find the ratio of monthly income of Rohit to monthly income of Rohan. So we already get Rohit monthly income is 23x by 25 ratio x. Either you can changes ratio into division form or you can find the LCM and divide both the terms with the LCM. So here instead of this I go with the ratio changes to divide sign, divide changes to multiply 1 by x, x 1 minus 1 because the 1 x is denominator, 1 is a numerator. So x is to power 1 minus n. So that is 23 by 25 and my required ratio is 23:25. Next is your 11th question. The distance on a map and the actual distance are in a proportion. Like here, like some road distance is given to you. If you actually measure by going on the road, if it is 15 kilometer, but that if you want to that show 500 kilometer on the map, you can't draw 500 kilometer on the map. So we draw the shorter scale. So in this that if you want to show 500 kilometer of actual distance of road on the map, so it will be considered as 12.5 centimeter. But what will happen if I want to draw 20 meter center which shows on a map in actual distance? So what is the actual distance if 20 centimeter shown on the map? So in this statement said that कि अगर आप एक मैप में अगर किसी रोड को 12.5 सेंटीमीटर शो ऑफ करते हो तो उसका मतलब है एक्चुअल में वो क्या है 500 किलोमीटर का डिस्टेंस। बट अगर आप किसी रोड को मैप में 20 सेंटीमीटर शो ऑफ करते हो तो एक्चुअल में उसका डिस्टेंस क्या होगा ऑन द रोड। तो एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस एंड मैप विल मेक द टेबल अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट। इफ 500 किलोमीटर देन इट विल शो ऑन द मैप to 12.5 centimeter. So if on the map is 20 centimeters, so that we have to find. So we consider actual distance that shows on the map is 20 centimeter is x kilometer. So when we go with the ratio, because this is same units, so 500 ratio x proportion to 12.5 ratio 20 changes to divide. Now ratio changes to divide, proportion changes to equal. cross multiply 500 into 20 divided by 12.5, and my required x value after calculation is 800 kilometer. That means 20 centimeter that shows on the map, in actual it is 800 kilometer. Now my next question is my 12th question. In this my 12th question, the ratio of present ages of Prabhat and Anisha. Prabhat and Anisha present ages is given 3:4. But if actual age of Prabhat is 6 years and 9 months, then find what is the age of Anisha. So if according to the ratio we consider that, let present age of Prabhat is 3x years and present age of Anisha is 4x years. But actual age given of the Prabhat is 6 years and 9 months. First we convert into the proper years. When I convert 9 months into years, 9 by 12 years. So I take years common, and 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. By taking LCM as 4, I got 24 plus 3 by 4, that is 27 by 4 years. That is the Prabhat age. But according to the ratios, that is 3x. Now when I compare with each other, 3x is equal to 27 by 4. When 3 goes on other side, that multiply changes to divide, and divide changes to multiply 1 by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, and my x value is 9 by 4. According to that, my present age of Anisha is, according to the ratio, is 4x. Now if I got the x value 9 by 4, I just replace in place of x 4 into 9 by 4 years. 4 is cancelled, only 9 years is left. That means present age of Anisha is equal to 9 years. Now my next 13th question is, 2 by 3 of dogs are white. 2 by 3 of dogs are white. It means dog is divided into 3 parts. Out of 3, 2 parts are white dogs. And among those white dogs, 4 by 7 white dogs has black spots. The rest of them are black. Whatever not considered under white dogs, that considered under black dogs. Find the ratio of dogs with black spots to that of the black dogs. Next is number of white dogs. You have given 2 by 3, but if you want to find how many number of black dogs are there, so we consider whole quantity of the dog as 1, that like 3 by 3, or we can consider also here 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. If you take 3 common, 3 minus 2, because out of 3, 3 parts is of dog. Okay, so whether it is black, whether it is white, doesn't matter. So that either you can take at whole number, or you can take 3 by 3. 3 minus 2 by 3, 3 minus 2 is 1 by 3. It means number of black dogs is 1 by 3. Now dogs with black spots. How many dogs are black spot among the white dogs? So 4 by 7 part of white dogs is considered as black spots. And how many white dogs are there? 2 by 3. That means 4 by 7 of 2 by 3 of changes to multiply, that is 8 by 21 parts. That means dog with black spots are 8 by 21. So now you have to find the ratio of black spots ratio black dogs. So 8 by 21 ratio 1 by 3. Now LCM is 21 and 3 is 21. Multiply both terms with 21. 21 is cancelled. 3 7s are 21, and my required ratio is 8:7. Now in this 14 question, there is a 2 parts. In this question, in the first part is actually, I will tell you in the short form what is in this question. The ratio of price of geometry box to that of calculator is 3:4. Original price of the geometry box and original price of the calculator ratio is given 3:4. And when you add both the prices, total price is 350. So this is your first part of question. In this first part of question, first you have to find what is the original price of geometry according to the ratio, and original price of calculator according to the ratio if total price is 350. So that means among 350 rupees, how much is cost of geometry box and how much cost is of calculator. So that is your first part. In the second part, now if geometry box price is increased by 1 by 3 and calculator price is increased by 1/5 of the original price, whatever you find the original price, if geometry box price is increased 1/3 part of the original price and calculator is increased 1/5 part of the original price, so what will be the ratio of the increased price of calculator to the geometry box? So that is the second part of question. In the first part, let price of geometry box is equal to 3x and price of calculator according to the ratio is 4x. Then according to statement, if you add this 3x plus 4x, 350, 7x is equal to 350 and x value 350 divided by 7 gives me 50. That means x value is 50. According to that, I have to find original price of geometry box is equal to 3x. Now replace the x value 50, 3 into 50 is equal to 150 rupees. Now next is original price of the calculator. Now original price of calculator is 4x and we got the x value 50, we replace the x value 50, 4 into 50 is equal to 200 rupees. Now that was the original price. Original price of geometry box is 150 rupees and original price of calculator is 200 rupees. So that is your first part. Now your second part will be started. So here this is the part 2. Okay, in the part 2, first you have to find how much price is increased in geometry box. So increase in geometry 1/3 part of the original price. So 1/3 of 150 is 50 rupees. That means in the original price, if you add 50, so that is the increased price of geometry. That means new price of geometry. That is new increased price of geometry. Similarly, how much increase in calculator is 1/5 of the original price. So 1/5 of 200 is 40 rupees. So new increased price in calculator is, you add 40 into the original price, 200 plus 40 gives you 240 rupees. Now you have to find the ratio of increased price of calculator to increased price of geometry. So 240 ratio 200. So that is 240 and that is increased price of geometry. 240 ratio 200. So when you change this into fraction form, 240 divided by 200, 0 is cancelled and HCF is 4. 24 divided by 4 gives you 6 and 20 divided by 4 gives you 5 and my required ratio is 6/5. Thank you. Have a nice day.